Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if you are new. If you are new here, my name is Molly. Thank you for clicking on my video today. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing a little workout challenge. I decided to walk 3 miles on the treadmill every single day for a week, which has been the span of this week because today is the last day that I'm filming this part. You're probably wondering, why did I choose 3 miles? Like, why didn't I choose 5 miles? Why didn't I choose 1 mile? To be honest, the reason I chose 3 is because it's right in the middle of like 5 and 1. I just felt like it was a good number. You probably know that there are endless benefits to walking every day. It's one of the best forms of exercise you can do for your body. I hope that you enjoy. Let's get right into it. It is day 1. I'm not ready for this right now. It is Monday. I will probably be walking at a speed of like 3.6. That's my usual area. If I feel like going faster, I will, but probably today I won't because I haven't worked out in a little while. Okay guys, I'm 18 minutes in. Just hit 1 mile. So, this is gonna take a while, but that's okay. I'm ready. I'm gonna turn up the speed a little bit once I finish this clip, just because I want this to go a little bit faster, and I feel like I can turn the speed up a little bit. But I'm at 3.8 right now, so I'll probably go just to 3.9 or 4. So what I think I'm gonna do is when I get to 2 miles, I think I'm gonna get off. And then I'm gonna come back later and do the last mile, just because my right foot is really hurting because I think I'm favoring it while I'm walking right now, and you're not supposed to do that. I'm gonna do the last mile in a couple hours or something, but I'm still going. I'm at 1.63 miles right now, so I'm almost to 2. Okay guys, it is now about 6:30. I am going to finish up my workout. I'm gonna do the last mile. Okay, so I just hit a mile at about 16 minutes, 15 seconds. I'm just gonna keep going a little bit just because I am, I don't know, in the groove now and my dinner isn't here yet. So I'm gonna keep going, but 3 miles for today is done. So on Monday, which was the first day of filming this, my foot started to hurt really bad, my right foot. I think I was putting more weight on that foot and depending more on it just because I hadn't done the treadmill in like a couple weeks. So I, had to get back into the groove of it. So sometimes little things like that happen. You kind of just have to work out the kinks and figure out what you're doing wrong. What I did is I did my 2 miles in the morning, and then I went back in the afternoon, gave my foot a little rest, and did the last mile at night. On the first day, I was feeling really good. I felt really happy with myself. Obviously, it was a challenge, but I was up for the challenge. So now let's go to day 2. It is day 2. I feel really good today. I feel yesterday, let's see, it took me about 45 minutes total, so that's what it will do today. I broke it up into pieces yesterday, but I think I'm just gonna do the entire thing today, or if my foot starts hurting again, then I'll get off, do my arms and abs on the floor and stuff, and then I'll come back on, but I'm not gonna wait hours. I just did 2 miles. That took me 33 minutes and 2 seconds, which is a lot shorter than yesterday by, well, seconds-wise shorter. Yesterday it was 33 minutes and 53 seconds to do that, so already seeing improvement. Honestly, just like doing the treadmill makes me feel energized. So on day 2, at the end of the workout, I realized that I had cut off time for each of I did the 2 miles, I had cut off time for that, and then the last mile, I also cut off time for that. At the end of the workout, I was really pushing myself. I was doing like a 4.3 speed. I was already seeing myself improving, which was really fast, but I think doing it even for 1 day, it kind of just, you can do it. So then you kind of just want to push yourself. At least that's what was happening for me. Now let's go to day 3. I'm really tired today, and I don't know, I just don't feel like walking right now, but and that's okay because that's when it's most important to work out, on the days where you don't want to. That's the true dedication. Anyway, it is day 3 of walking 3 miles. Okay, whew, I'm sweating. I just finished 2 miles. I knocked off a whole minute today. I'm so excited. Today was 32 minutes and 9 seconds. Yesterday was 33 minutes and 2 seconds. Let's go do the floor workout and then I'll come back for the last mile. I cut off a whole 2 minutes today. I'm so excited. I did it in 14:50 seconds. And then yesterday it was 16 seconds. So I am so excited. So on Wednesday, day 3, I was feeling really tired and I didn't want to do this. I did not want to work out, but those are the days, like I said, that you have to push yourself more, because when you don't want to do something, you're gonna feel so good once it's done. When you were dreading it and you're like, oh, should I do it? You're gonna feel worse if you don't do it, and if you do it, you're just gonna feel so good. You're gonna feel powerful. You're gonna be like, I got this. And then I cut off a whole 2 minutes this day with the last mile, which felt really good. Okay guys, it is day 4 of walking 3 miles every day for the week. Today I'm feeling tired and don't want to do this in the slightest, but that's all right. We're gonna do it anyway, so let's get to it. Okay guys, we managed to get it down a whole 12 seconds. That's still good. I was walking on a 4.5 at the end, and I don't think that was a great idea for my body. So I'm gonna go and do some like yoga stretching in my room or something. So on Thursday, day 4, I was really pushing myself. I was doing like a 4.5 speed at the end. I don't think that was a good idea. I ended up waking up this morning with a neck ache in like one part of my neck. So I think I could have done something when I was trying to go that hard, because if you're going really fast on the treadmill, I feel like I tend to like kind of tense up a little bit more, because I'm trying to move my legs faster, so my upper body tends to tense, and I think that might be why my neck is hurting me today. So I think that was a bad choice. Let's go into today, which is the last day, day 5, and see what happens. It is the last final day of this challenge. Today I'm really not gonna focus on beating anything, because I just want like a nice relaxing walk. So we're just gonna do probably like a 3.7 speed, and then I'll raise the incline and stuff, but I'm not gonna go crazy with the speed today. Just something simple for the last day. Day 5, which is today, I decided to take it a little bit easier. I walked at a 3.3 speed, but I focused on incline today. So I kept raising my incline throughout the day today, and I wanted to just focus all on that as opposed to speed. So it wasn't about trying to beat yesterday's number or the week's numbers. It was just about having a nice last day. It felt really good. I listened to a podcast, and I have my own podcast. If you guys don't know that, I have my podcast, Just Doing My Own Thing podcast with Leland. If you're ever working out, I really suggest listening to podcasts. You can listen to mine. Some of my favorites are Call Me Candid, Don't Blame Me with Megan Rinks, What We Said, We Bought a House with Claudia Salewski and Phineas. Go check out my podcast if you are on the treadmill, if you're working out and want to listen to a podcast. Just a little bit of shameless promo there, but I want to share with you guys obviously how I'm feeling at the end of all of this week. So the main thing I noticed in myself is a major decrease in bloating, which is the #1 thing I was looking for in doing this experiment. And I really do not like the feeling of bloating. I mean, who does? But it's something that I get very insecure about when it does happen, and I just feel uncomfortable in my own skin when I feel bloated. So I've just been looking for ways to reduce that, and I'm just really happy that I've noticed such a decrease in that since I started this. Another thing is my body just feels a lot more toned, and like my legs and my stomach area feels a lot more toned, and I obviously am not mad about that. Overall, I really do just feel more energized, and I don't know, I just feel like working out and putting your all into workouts and challenging yourself leaves you with such a great feeling, because you feel like you can do anything and you have more energy when you work out. You have energy to accomplish tasks and be more productive in your everyday life. You're probably wondering, am I just gonna give up now? No, I'm actually not. I'm definitely gonna keep doing this. I'm in such a groove now that I don't want to stop. Maybe the next video I make like this could be like doing it for 5 miles every day. I just want to keep going with it now that I'm in such a groove. Something I did notice about myself over the week is that I really like doing 2 miles, getting off, doing my floor exercises, like doing my abs, doing my arms, those types of things, and then getting back on right after and doing the last mile and just banging out the last mile. It just worked really well for me that way. Obviously you can do it anything you want. So that's basically it for this video. I'm sorry I do not have any weight loss drop numbers for you, but that's just not what this is about for me. It's just about how I feel. I hope that you enjoyed this type of week-long video. I love doing week-long videos. It's so fun, and it really pushes me. I'm just gonna be honest, if I was not filming this, I probably would have given up on like Wednesday, because I'm like, oh my god, I'm tired, blah blah blah, I don't want to do it. But since I was filming it, I knew that I wanted to make a good video for you guys, and I knew that that wasn't gonna happen if I didn't do it. So it really pushed me to my limits, and I'm very grateful for that. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. I do have a giveaway still running. You can check out this video. I'll put it up here. I'll link it in the description box. You can check that out and enter the giveaway. And I hope that you have a great day or night, whatever it is when you're watching this. Bye.